कॉन्फ्रादीचो अध्यक्ष हो आमचो एटॉर्नी
Edwin Pizardo,
हो आमचो मेंबर
Leslie Mascarenas, Agustino Cardozo.
आयज आमच्या खरेंच चांदोरची पवित्र सोबीक ही व्हडली खुशालकाय आनी ही खुशालकाय म्हणजे आमचे बेल्या साहेबी मांयची परब आमची ती आस्कारीन आनी ही परबेक आमचे फुड्यांतान रे करतात आनी हे आमचे आयज हे तीग भावांचे पूत रे जाल्यात ही आमकां बरी उमेद आनी देवानूय आमकां हो आयचो दीस फावो केलाय ताचे खुशे प्रमाणे सगळे येवजणी जावन आयली आनी ही खुशालकायेन आमी सगळे एकामेकाच्या सांगाताक एकठांय जावन ही खुशालकायेची परब आमी सगळ्यांक आवडटा तुमकां सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं.
आमच्या अध्यक्षान सांगलां तशें 3 वेगळ्या वेगळ्या वाड्यांतले आमचे भुरगे आयज रे जाल्ले आसात आनी आतां हिंगासान आमी सकयल इगोजे कडेन पुरसावन वतले आनी मागीर सकयल आमचे फेस्ताचे मीस जातले. चांदो कावरीचे 2 जाण विद्वान रे आनी एक गिरदोली गांवचो ते तिगोय मेण हिंगासून सेंट पायटी चॅपलसून इगोची वयतले बरे मंडवडेन वर्साचे पासून आनी परवेचे मीस जातले आनी परवेचे मीस जातकूच आमी तियात्र दवरला इगोर्जीन आज आनी फाल्यां आसतलो तशें चांदोर क्लबान तियात्र दवरला आजच्या दिसाक आनी फेत आसतले आनी फेता हे पाटी 50 इयर्स माउंट बॉयज ऑर्गनायज करताय 50 वर्सां आनी ग्रँड प्रायज आहा.
सो 3 किंग म्हणल्यार कितें?
3 किंग्स म्हणटाय ते जे नॉकेट चोयन विद्वान 3 गिफ्ट घेवन तेचो बरे येयलोले डिफरंट डायरेक्शन आसा
मग तेजे आज तुम्ही सेलिब्रेट करतात
ते आमी सेलिब्रेट करताय खूब उमेदीन.
My name is Agnelo Vaz. We are from Kavuri Kawate. We feel blessed to celebrate this auspicious day today. Thank you. Happy feast.
My name is William Mandis, but I'm known as Willie Mandis, and I'm from Kulsabad, Chandor, next to Bank of India. And my son's name is Lionel Mandis. It was my grandmother's, mother-in-law's wish when he was born. He was little critical, so that time she had made a wish. If everything goes well, then she will make him a king. We have been trying for this occasion many years, but we were in a queue and we got this opportunity this year. So we are very excited. Even my mother-in-law is very excited. My wife is here. Her name is Julie Mandis.
Lionel's mother, and we are very blessed to have Lionel as a son, today as a king. That's it.
And message म्हाका एक दी बारीक शिल्ली.
Tell your name and message.
Okay, my name is Savio Mascarenas. I live in Gidoli, Chandor, and today I'm very feel proud for my son because he is a king today. And for this, I thank Lord for everything, make the day possible today for us.
My name is Sean Mascarenas, and I thank Lord for making me a king this day, and I thank my parents for making this feast as wonderful as it can.
Okay. One second.
My name is Ansley Vaz. I feel very blessed today that I get to impersonate one of the wise men. I'd like to thank my parents for making this day possible.
Yes, one second.
My name is Simon Mendes, and I am feeling very good to be a king today. After I thank my parents for making me a king.
And you also grandmother.
And my grandmother.
It was her wish.
Lucille. I feel very good. Excited and very happy.
Feel blessed, happy, excited.
I feel proud and happy to be a king this day, and wish you all happy feast.
Now you are the king. Any future plans for you?
To get more closer to God, and live in the Holy Spirit.
What about you?
Be an obedient child.
Yeah. What about you?
To love God.
Yeah. बरोबर आहे.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.